What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to indent text in Mailchimp. But before we jump into the action, if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And I'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on another Mailchimp journey. So let's get right into it. So basically, indenting a text in Mailchimp email or any email marketing campaign can offer several advantages. Why? Because indented text can break up long paragraphs and make your content more readable. It creates a visual hierarchy, allowing readers to easily identify key points or sections of your message. Text indentation can improve the overall aesthetics of your email. It helps create a well-structured and organized layout, making your email look more professional and engaging. Indenting can be used to separate different content blocks or sections within your email, making it easier for readers to navigate through the email and find the information they are interested in. Because obviously, without indentation, long sections of continuous text can appear monotonous and overwhelming. Really, it makes it boring. So, indenting text can add variety to the layout and maintain the reader's interest, right? Because as we all know, many people read emails on mobile devices with smaller screens. Text indentation can help make your email more mobile friendly by breaking up content to digestible chunks. And of course, a well designed and structured email with indented text can provide a better user experience, increasing the chances that recipients will engage with their contacts and take the desired action. So, all you gotta do is go to Mailchimp.com, create a new account. Once you have successfully created your account, log in with your credentials and go to the left part of the interface, create campaign, go to a design email. And once you are in design email, okay, so go to content. Let's say it starts from scratch. Okay. Like this is a you have a different, layout and fonts and whatnot. All you gotta do is highlight all the text and you would see an option here that says clear styles. All right, highlight and then hover down to the upper part of your interface, and it just if you see the clear styles option, click on that and all of it will be indented. That's it. That's walk in the park. Remember, while there are clear advantages using text indentation in your Mailchimp email campaigns, it's important to use it sparingly. Because as we all know, overuse of that can make your email look cluttered and confusing. Always consider your audience, the content of your email, and your overall design strategy when deciding how and where to apply indentation in your email campaigns. Thank you so much. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.